In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a Chase savings account online. You could do this both on the Chase mobile application or on a desktop. I personally recommend using a desktop just because it will make things a little bit easier to see, but you could do this on the mobile app. So if you're on a desktop, please go to chase.com. And if you're on a mobile device, please open up the Chase mobile app. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see this section that says choose what's right for you. And then on the mobile app, you should see a button that says open an account. And then from there, you're able to select on savings. So here's a savings account over here. You're able to go ahead and select on it. Now, it is going to go ahead and open up a window that looks like this. You're able to go ahead and scroll down and you're able to look at all of the different benefits. You could also go ahead and explore other savings accounts as well if you are eligible for them. So here's more information about them. And then all you want to do, once you're 100% sure you want to get started, is you want to select on Open Now. Keep in mind that you may get some fees in order to get started. Now, anyways, once you're done with that, you are going to need to enter in some personal information about yourself, including your full legal name, your date of birth, your social security number, email address, phone number, and your current address. It's really important that you have all that information on standby. You're typically also going to need some type of photo ID, whether that's a passport or a driver's license, etc. So yep, here it is. And now over here, you're able to determine if you are an existing Chase customer. So if you already used Chase in the past for like a checking account or something like that, you can select on yes, sign in now. And that's actually going to make the process easier because it already has your information on their database. So they can just use that information you already put previously and then open up your savings account. But if you never used Chase in the past, do not sweat it. Do not worry. You can easily make one from scratch. So you would press on no, I'm not a customer. Then you will select on get started. Then from here, you will need to enter in your first and last name. And then you need to go ahead and press on next. You need to input your date of birth. And keep in mind that you need to be at least 18 years or older in order to actually apply. So afterwards, you are going to need to create a username and a password for your savings account. It's really important that you know what your username is and what your password is. I recommend having multiple copies of it, both physical, like on a piece of paper, and in like your device notes or something like that. And also, you want to choose other security options such as a PIN or security questions. Afterwards, you're going to need to link an existing bank account or debit card for your initial deposit to basically fund your savings account so you're able to get that compounding effect rolling. So the minimum opening deposit is typically $0 to $25, and you have to fund from one bank account via ACH transfer or debit card. And you can also start the account with $0 and then fund it later. But then afterwards, you should be good to go, and you should get approved instantly or at the very maximum 1 to 2 business days. If you notice that you're experiencing some trouble with this process, you can go ahead and contact the Chase customer support. Or if things really get out of hand, what you could always do is you could visit a physical Chase Bank location. They will help you out as well. I want to provide as much resources as possible, and if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.